Imagine a world where forever chemicals lurk in our food, water, and even the air we breathe. These persistent pollutants, known as PFAS, have been found in the blood of nearly 97% of Americans, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. They are linked to serious health issues, including cancer, heart disease, liver problems, and weakened immune systems. But here's where it gets controversial. A common dietary supplement might offer a surprising solution to rid our bodies of these stubborn chemicals. PFAS are notorious for their longevity in the human body, often taking years to be fully eliminated. During this time, they can circulate through the liver and kidneys, causing ongoing damage. The liver sends PFAS into the intestines, and transport proteins can pull some of it back into the bloodstream, creating a cycle of exposure. So, what can be done about this pervasive problem? A team of researchers decided to explore a simple yet potentially powerful solution: soluble gel-forming fiber, a common dietary supplement that many people already consume. Two recent pilot studies suggest that regularly taking this type of fiber might help reduce levels of PFOA and PFOS, two of the most studied PFAS compounds among the over 15,000 human-made chemicals in this category. The research, led by Professor Demeter Bello from the Zuckerberg College of Health Sciences at UMass Lowell, and Professor Jennifer Schlesinger from Boston University, focuses on how gel-forming fibers like psyllium can trap PFAS in the gut, allowing it to be eliminated through feces. Bello and Schlesinger's collaboration brings together complementary expertise in environmental health and PFAS research. In their studies, researchers used male mice with diets similar to those of typical Americans. Some mice were given inulin as a control fiber, while others received oat beta-glucan, a natural soluble fiber found in oats. Both groups drank water containing a mix of 7 PFAS compounds for 6 weeks, followed by 4 weeks of clean water to observe how much PFAS was cleared from their systems. Interestingly, the mice that consumed beta-glucan had slightly lower blood levels of PFOA and PFOS, as well as reduced body fat and lower fat in the liver and small intestine. One liver gene, CYP3A11, which is involved in processing chemicals, returned to normal levels after the clean water period. Why does fiber help reduce PFAS levels? Soluble fibers like beta-glucan and psyllium form gels in the gut that can bind bile acids, a process known to lower LDL cholesterol. Since PFAS share some chemical characteristics with bile acids, trapping them in the same gel is a logical approach. As Schlesinger explains, it occurred to me that bile acids and PFAS have similar chemical characteristics and both are recirculated between the liver, bile, and gut. The research also builds on earlier studies linking high-fiber diets to lower PFAS levels. In one pilot study, people who took a fiber supplement experienced an 8% decrease in PFAS and PFOA levels after 4 weeks. However, more research is needed to confirm these findings. The collaboration between UMass Lowell and Boston University began as part of a larger effort to develop solutions for PFAS contamination. Funding from a UMass Lowell seed grant allowed Bello to develop laboratory methods for quantifying PFAS in various biological samples, expanding the initial list of targets from 15 to about 50 PFAS compounds. While this research offers a promising approach to reducing PFAS levels, it's important to note that it's still in the early stages. Anyone considering fiber supplements should consult with a healthcare provider first. The field of PFAS testing continues to evolve as labs refine methods and standards, and there's still much to learn about the full scope of PFAS exposure and its health impacts. The full study was published in the journals Toxicology and Applied Pharmacology and Environmental Health, offering a glimpse into the potential of simple dietary changes to combat complex environmental challenges.